On day 35 of our tour, we left the south coast and headed down to the wild coast.
We decided to go to Coffee Bay and to see what it was all about.
And my mom almost broke into tears when she found out bathrooms are pretty average.
Oh look, there's a toilet with a lid. Running out of toilet paper, that might be a problem. And there's a shower.
It's not gone to the left.
Oh no. Missy stuck on Buccanneers again. Missy stuck on Buccanneers again. I don't blame her. Why stuck out here?
She doesn't want to get off.
No.
Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, it is pretty.
In case you're wondering if it's possible to sleep with your bush larper hitched onto your car, well guess what? It is! While we were in Coffee Bay, we decided to go visit the famous Hole in the Wall. My parents weren't the biggest fan of Coffee Bay, so we decided to move further onto the wild coast to a place called Trennerys.
What have you guys got?
We've got prawns for fishing.
Oh my gosh, that is disgusting.
I think they're cute.
Oh
Are those fishes?
my god.
No. Prawns. Dead or alive?
Alive.
That's disgusting. Put them back. Put them back. That's mean, Daddy. Why do you have a whole lot?
We'll set some of them for you.
I'm upset with you, Dad.
Not baby, I'm so sorry.
It's bait in for fishing.
It's not fair
What's not fair about it?
that people get to do this with fishes. It's not fair.
Those aren't fishes, those are prawns.
Imagine if you got eaten just because you went to the tasting fish.
Imagine a lion came and ate you just because you were a tasty vegetarian.
That's exactly what they feel. They just don't know what you're doing.
You caught a fish!
You caught a fish! I caught a fish!
I can't believe it!
You got a little spotted grunter.
Yes! That's what you want. Casey, give me a hug! I love you! What's that, Casey? Well, here's my spotted grunter. Baby, you wanna hold it? I wanna try.
Then I shall bow in humble adoration, and there proclaim, my God, how great thou art. God bless you.
Just turn around slowly, keep it in the middle.
Go girl. Go girl.
Turn this way a little bit more.
Our time at Trennerys was amazing. We had so much fun here and we met some nice people. And I think my favourite part was definitely hiking up and going on the boat and just swimming in that amazing river.
I think my favourite part was spending time with our family, and this place is amazing actually. And my favourite part also was actually everything, I think. Like literally everything.
So we've just left Trennerys going to Morgan's Bay and we're gonna cross the river using a ferry. I'm so excited!
This is outrageous.
After crossing the Kai River, we spent some time in Morgan's Bay and Cintsa. We loved swimming in the beautiful rivers and lagoons. The Wild Coast will always have a special place in my heart. It's where I caught my first fish. It's a beautiful isolated place with many rolling hills, rivers, beaches and many, many goats and cows. See you next time as the Walshies continue our tour down the coast of South Africa. Bye!